Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone and free up storage space in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, tap on the Album tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the Duplicate section. Here, your iPhone will automatically show all identical photos and videos grouped together. To remove a single duplicate set, tap on Merge next to the photos. This keeps the best quality version and deletes the extra copies to save storage space. If you want to remove all duplicate photos at once, tap Select at the top right corner. Then tap Select All at the top left. Now tap Merge at the bottom and confirm the action from the pop-up menu. Your iPhone will instantly clean up all duplicate photos and videos. And that's it. That's how you can delete duplicate photos on iPhone and free up storage fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone storage tips and iOS tutorials.